Welcome to the Slop Farm. Enjoy the video.
You begin by locking your creative brief and capture setup. Pick the camera and lens that match your resolution goal, then map hotspots and user journeys so filming is purposeful. Once done, set stable mounting and consistent exposure. This avoids stitch errors later. Make sure to mark actor positions and log takes for each interactive branch. You'll shoot extra coverage for transitions and bit players. This deliberate preparation saves hours in post and keeps interactive logic intact. Next, stitch your footage using software that lets you tune seam geometry and color balance. You want clean panoramas. Once stitched, transcode to an edit-friendly codec, then bring it into a timeline that supports spatial metadata and hotspot tracks. From there, add interactive nodes and define actions. Jump cuts, overlays, branching scenes, linking each hotspot to precise timestamps. Make sure to preview in a headset and on flat displays so interaction points align visually in both contexts and latency. Finally, you export using the platform's required spatial metadata and an appropriate codec and bitrate. High quality matters, but so does playback stability. Then test on each target device. Confirm hotspot positions, interactions, and audio sync. If something breaks, recheck stitching alignment, hotspot coordinates, and timeline triggers. Reduce bitrate or simplify overlays to fix stutter. Once validated, package assets and the interaction map for the distribution platform, and create a short QA checklist so you can repeat consistent builds.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.